Hello YouTube, I'm back with another fragrance video, and this video is going to be a quick one. This is basically talking about how you can make your fragrances last longer. Not literally last longer, but you won't have to worry about them lasting not as long because you'll be bringing these with you. Travel decants. I don't know why people don't talk about these enough, especially for fragrances like Burberry London. This lasts about 3 to 4 hours. Aqua de Joe lasts about 3 to 4 hours. Is not a monster. And Nautica Voyage. This one lasts about an hour max. And so I highly advise you guys get decants of stuff to bring with you to school or work or anywhere. They're really small, smaller than my pinky. I just put them in my pocket. Or a shirt like this, just slip it in there like that. Very easy. They don't take up much room. And what I do is I put Teflon on the edges and I screw the cap on, and I'll show you a little demo. I'll do Nautica Voyage because I don't wear this at all, if I'm being honest. I got me a pack of 60. Teflon tape was like 99 cents off of Amazon. I got a packet of 60 of these atomizers, these glass bottle atomizers, $13.99 off of Amazon. Got about 60 of them. I've seen some for $100, but on the same price, $15, $14. And yeah, I'll show you what I do personally. I'm not gonna put the Teflon on here, to be honest, because I don't want to make a wasteful bottle of a fragrance I'm not gonna wear. We take a little bit of Teflon, about this much, 4 or 5 inches, and you wrap it around the threads of the glass bottle. Can't see if y'all can see that. You barely can, but still. And I'll spray some in here to show you what I did whenever I did this, to be honest. So I aimed it right here. You see it? And I just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You don't know why I'm counting, but look, after a while, look, that's already like a milliliter. Just a couple of sprays, to be honest, not that many sprays. And I did this for about, I don't know if you can see, about 50 fragrances. So this took me about 3 hours individually putting Teflon on everything, Teflon tape. But it paid off in the end because this would be very helpful during the school year, especially for a lot of my fresh fragrances. They do not last as long. And here's what the atomizer looks like on these. Some got in my eye. It smells good at least. But yeah, it's a very quick video. What I really do, I just take them, spray some in there. After like 30, 40 seconds, this should be full. And I did do a test. I put water in this and I got about 90 to 95 sprays. Whenever you fill it about right here, I don't know if you can tell, right here, you get about 90 to 95 sprays. And I did some of the math. If you refresh with 2 sprays, which is usually going to be fall and winter fragrances because those are stronger, you won't need as many sprays, you'll get about a month to 3 months worth of refreshes. So you want to have to refill this for about a month or 2. But most people, or most of you guys watching probably, have more than 1 fragrance. So this will probably last you the whole year, if I'm being honest, unless you wear the same fragrance back to back to back. And for the summer ones, I'd go more 3 to 4, maybe 5. That would last you about, for the individual bottle, you'll get about 3 to 4 weeks use. And yeah, very simple. Only cost you altogether. And if you want to get labels, they have labels on Amazon. The labels I got for these, only like $1.99 altogether. I spent 20. No, not even 20. I spent like $19 and everything. And I still have like 30 more of these glass atomizer bottles left too. And so yeah, let me put that back inside the box. If you guys like this type of content, which I can't really make multiple videos on making decant bottles, but I hope you guys take this advice for your more weaker fragrances. This will help them last longer because you can just take them and respray them after like 3rd or 4th period. Or if you're in college and you have really long days like I'm going to be having this semester, I'll have to go to school at 8 and I can't leave till about 4 in the afternoon. So I'll have a really long semester. This will easily help me get by with smelling good the whole day, to be honest. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and y'all have a great rest of y'all day.